Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with the continuation of chapter wise revision. Chapter 4 Circles. So in the chapter Circles, the very important things are theorems of these circles, which is a compulsory question. As you all know that theorems is a sure question in exam. Out of these two theorems, there are two theorems in the circle chapter. Out of two theorem, one is a sure question. And leaving the theorem, now we can have a 1 or 2 marks problems. Let us solve one by one. These all are the problems from the previous year's question papers as well as department booklet. So the first question is, in the adjoining figure, TP and TQ are the tangents to a circle with center O. Find the measure of PTQ. In the adjoining figure, in the adjoining figure, TP and TQ are the tangents to the circle. TP and TQ are tangents, it is told, with center O, and angle POQ is 110, it is given. POQ 110. Find the measure of PTQ. Okay, let us first draw the figure, what is given. Okay, let me draw the figure. In the circle of center O, TP and TQ are the tangent, given tangent. Okay, TP and TQ are the tangent, and angle POQ is given 110. Find the measure of PTQ. We have to find the measure of PTQ. Okay. Let us write first what is given. TP and TQ are the tangents. Okay. And we know that tangents, angle between radius and tangent is always 90 degree. Angle between radius and tangent is always 90 degree. We should know this. Okay, now let us write. We know that let us start finding. OPT and OQT is equals to, angle OPT is equal to OQT is equals to 90 degree, because angle between radius and the tangent. Now POQ plus OPT plus OQT plus PTQ is equals to 360 degree. These all angles, we can say that 1, 2, 3, 4 angles between any four side is, sum of angle of any four side is 360 degree. So let us write POQ 110 plus OPT 90 degree plus OQT also 90 degree plus PTQ as it is equals to 30 degree. Now 90 plus 90, 180. 180 plus 110. 180 plus 110 is 290 degree. So 290 plus PTQ is equals to 360 degree, and PTQ is equals to 360 degree minus 290 degree. Let us do minus this. 360 minus 290 is nothing but 0. Carry 1. 9 minus 16. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 70 degree. So PTQ answer is, angle PTQ is equals to 70 degree. This is one method. Or if they ask for just 1 marks, if they give this angle and this angle they find, if they ask only for 1 marks, one more method, or is equals to, you should directly write PTQ is equals to 180 minus 110. if they ask for a multiple choice question and all, because if they ask multiple choice question, that we did not require this all steps. So at that situation, 110 PTQ, which angle they have asked to find, PTQ is equals to 180 minus 110, PTQ is equals to 70 degree. If they ask in multiple choice question, you can solve only this much, okay, so that you can get correct answer. Let us see now second one question. In a circle, this is the figure I am speaking about now. In a circle of radius 10 centimeter, O is the center, OP perpendicular to AB. If OP is equals to 6 centimeter, then find the length of AB. Okay, let me draw first what they have asked. In a circle of radius 10 centimeter, okay, OP perpendicular to AB. AB I'll draw. OP perpendicular to AB. Now let me draw the radius, okay, and now they have told PT, find the length of AB. AB length we have to find. Nothing they have told. Only radius of circle is 10 centimeter. Now in this figure we can see that radius is OB. OB is 10 centimeter. Now OP we don't know. And what they have told, in a circle of radius 10 centimeter, O is the center, OP perpendicular to AB, OP is 6 centimeter, OP value is given 6 centimeter. Find the length of AB, full length AB we need to find. We know that perpendicular divide exactly. So let us find now. Now in triangle OPB is 90 degree, because perpendicular makes always 90 degree. So by Pythagoras theorem, OB square is equals to OP square plus PB square. OB 10 square, OP 6 square. We don't know PB square, okay, we will keep PB as it is. 10 square is 100 is equals to 6 square is 36 plus PB square. 100 minus 36 is equals to PB square. 100 minus 36 is 64 is equals to PB square. PB is equals to, square will become root. PB is equals to root 64. PB is equals to 8. So PB value we got 8 centimeter. But they have asked us to find the length of AB. AB is equals to AP plus PB. We know that AP equals to PB. 8 plus 8, because AP is equal to PB. AB is equals to 8 plus 8, 16 centimeter. Therefore, the length of AB is equals to 16 centimeter. Okay, let us see now next question. So the third one question is, in the figure O is the center, see here O is the center of a circle, PT is the tangent and PTO is equals to 30 degree. Find POT. Okay, PTO 30 degrees given. Okay, let me draw the figure properly. In the figure, O is the center of the circle. O is the center of the circle. It is given. And next, so O is the center of the circle. PT is a tangent. Let me draw the PT as a tangent. P and T is a tangent. If the length of PTO is 30 degree, PTO O. Okay, this length is 30 degree. Find the length of POT. Find the length of POT. This length we need to find. Okay, we know that. Question number 3. We know that angle between radius and tangent is 90 degree. We know that OPT is equals to 90 degree because perpendicular it is. Angle between radius and tangent is always 90 degree. Now in triangle POT plus OPT plus PTO is equals to 180 degree. Sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. POT it is given 30 degree in a question. POT is equals to 30 degree. So POT I'll write 30 degree plus OPT we know 90 degree because angle between radius and tangent is 90 degree. PTO as it is equals to 180 degree. 90 plus 30 is 60 degree. 90, 100, 120 degree. 120 degree plus PTO is equals to 180 degree. PTO is equals to 180 degree minus 120 degree. PTO is equals to 60 degree. So find the angle of PTO they have asked. So 60 degree it is. Let us see next question now. Fourth is now. Let me read out the question fourth. In the given figure, PQ and PR and BC are the tangent to a circle. BC touch the circle at X. Yes, BC touch the circle at X. If PQ is equals to, full PQ is equals to 7 centimeter, find the perimeter of triangle PBC. We have to find the perimeter of circle PBC. Okay, let us see how to solve this. I have drawn already figure here, the given figure. Now, question number 4. PQ, PR and BC are the tangents. Okay, to a circle or tangents of a circle. Now we know that PQ is equals to PR, tangent drawn from external point. Tangent drawn from external point, they are equal. So if PQ is equals to 7 centimeter, it is given, therefore PR also is equals to 7 centimeter. Now let us see now here BQ is equals to BX because here this is the external point, this is one tangent and this is also one tangent. Now BQ is equals to BX. Yes, now this is the external point, tangent drawn from external point. BQ is equals to BX. Same way CR is equals to CX. CR is equals to CX. These both are tangent drawn from external point. External point are equal. This is the external point. This is one tangent. This is one tangent. Okay. Now let us start finding. They have told find the perimeter of triangle PBC. Perimeter of triangle PBC is equals to PB plus BC plus PC. We know that sum of all side is nothing but perimeter. PB plus BC plus PC. Now PB, let it be PB only. But BC, we know that BC is BX plus CX. BX plus CX plus PC I'll write as it is. BC is, in place of BC, I'll write BX plus CX. Okay. Now, PB as it is I'll write. BX is nothing but BQ. BX value is BQ. In place of BX I'll write BQ, and in place of CX I will write CR. In place of CX I'll write CR because they are equal, plus PC. Okay. Now BQ plus PQ. BQ, BP plus BQ. BP, BQ is nothing but what? PQ. B to P and B to Q is what? PQ. Plus PC and CR. CR, PC is PR. So this full is nothing but PR. PQ 7 centimeter plus PR also 7 centimeter. 7 plus 7 is 14 centimeter. So perimeter of triangle PBC is 14 centimeter. It's very easy and important problem. Let us see the next question now. Next question is, in two concentric circles of radii 6 cm and 10 cm with center O, OP is the radius of smaller circle, OP perpendicular to AB. AB cuts the outer circle at A and B. Okay. Then find the length of AB. That means two concentric circle. 1, 2. Bigger circle radius is 10 centimeter and smaller circle radius is 6 centimeter. Okay. OP is the radius. OP is the radius of the smaller circle. Let me write. OP is the radius of smaller circle. OP perpendicular to AB. OP perpendicular to AB. AB cut the outer circle. AB cut the outer circle at A and B. Find the length of AB. Find the length of AB, they have told. Okay. This is the easiest question. First, what we have to do is, we will join this. Now, we know that smaller circle radius is 6 centimeter and bigger circle radius is 10 centimeter. So, direct question it is, say, fifth one question. Here, in triangle OPB, angle OPB is 90 degree. Why? Because OP perpendicular to AB, then perpendicular makes 90 degree. By Pythagoras theorem, OB square is equals to OP square plus PB square. Same type one problem we have done here in previous problem, but here they have taken two concentric circle. There it was no concentric circle. OB is 10 square is equals to OP is 6 square plus PB as is 100 is equals to 36 plus PB square. 100 minus 36 is equals to PB square. PB square is equals to 100 minus 36 is 64. PB is equals to square becomes root 64. PB is equals to 8 centimeter. Now same problem like AB is equals to AP plus PB and perpendicular divides equally. AP also 8 centimeter plus 8, that is 16 centimeters. Similar problem we have done, only the thing there was a single circle, here concentric circle. Next problem, question number 6. In the figure, PA, PC and CD are the tangent drawn to a circle of center O. If AP is equals to 3 centimeter, CD is equals to 5 centimeter, then find the length of PC. Okay, let me draw the figure first. In a circle, how they have told in the question, in the figure, PC, I'll draw this. They have told PC is a tangent, correct? And PA is a tangent. PA is a tangent, okay? And CD is a tangent. CD is a tangent. It should touch. Tangent should be touching the circle. CD is a tangent. I have drawn. Now, to a circle of center O, if AP is 3 centimeter, okay, AP is 3 centimeter, CD 5 centimeter, it is given in the question, then find the length of PC. Here B is there. Find the length of PC. Let us now write PA, PC and CD be the tangents to a circle of center O. Now we can see this C is the external point and this is the tangent. P is the external point and these are the tangent. So now CD is equals to CB, okay, and AP is equals to, or PA is equals to PB. Why? Because tangent drawn from external points are equal. Now CD is equals to 5 centimeter. If CD 5 centimeter, then BC also, there this implies BC is equals to 5 centimeter. PA is equals to 3 centimeter. It is given in question. This implies PA 3 means PB also 3 centimeter. Now PC is equals to, PC is nothing but PB plus BC. PB plus BC. PC length is PB plus BC. PB value is 3 plus BC value is 5. Therefore, PC is equals to 8 centimeter. They have told to find the length of PC. Therefore, the length of PC is 8 centimeter. Okay. Last one question. In the figure, AP is a tangent. In the figure, AP is a tangent. If APO is 20 degree, find AOP. Okay. In the figure, circle like this given. AP is a tangent. AP is a tangent. And they have told here, O is the center of the circle. Okay. AP is 20 degree. Find AOP. Given APO is equals to 20 degrees given, and they have told to find AOP. Similar problem like previous, because from the circle almost you will get a small problems to solve, because theorem is one compulsory question na. In triangle AOP, OAP is 90 degree. Why OAP is 90 degree? I am frequently repeating this because the radius and tangent, angle between radius and tangent is always 90 degree. Okay. So, in triangle AOP, AOP plus OAP plus APO is equals to 180 degree. Sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. AOP given 20 degree. OAP 90 degree. We know that. Plus APO we need to find. APO 20 degree given. Oh, By mistake I have written AOP 20 degree. AOP we have to find. Okay, let me write properly. AOP we need to find. OAP 90 degree. APO 20 degree. It is given 20 degree. Is equals to 180 degree. AOP as it is 90 plus 20 110 degree is equals to 180 degree. Okay. AOP is equals to 180 degree minus 110 we have to bring here, it becomes minus. AOP is equals to 180 minus 110 is nothing but 70 degree. We got the answer. AOP value is 70 degree. So this completes the circle chapter from the previous year's papers, like a small problems only it is given like. So in my next video I am going to start a next chapter. You can see that which theorems are important in this chapter. These two theorems are very important. One, the proof that the length of tangent drawn from an external points are equal. Very important theorem which is 100% sure for 3 marks. Or this problem, prove that the tangent at any point of a circle perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. This figure theorem, which is very important. Either this theorem or just now I have told this theorem is a sure question in the examination. So here they have asked one more type question, very small question. Just this is the simple identity like problems. So I didn't write the question in this paper. So let me tell you here this question. In a circle, the angle between radius and tangent is 90 degree. I have told now they have asked what is the in a circle the angle between radius and a tangent at non-centric end of the radius is dash. They may ask you question. In a circle, angle between radius and tangent is what angle? Answer is 90 degree. Here in this identify the tangent to a circle in the adjoining figure. In this figure, write the tangent. Which are the tangent? You can see this is also not tangent. This is also not tangent, but RS is a tangent. So RS is a tangent. Rest all problem I have solved in that paper. This from the previous year's papers plus department booklet and all. So in my next video I am going to start a next chapters. Do like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.